Hey guys, it's Jamaican and I'm back again with another video. Today we'll be doing a Would You Rather. Let's get into the video. Okay, would you rather lick a trash can or the bathroom floor?
Bathroom floor for me.
I'd just rather lick the bathroom floor.
The bathroom floor for me. Yeah. Would you rather have a magic carpet that flies or your own personal robot? One of carpet.
Magic carpet.
It depends on what the magic carpet do, otherwise I'm flying.
What else could it do?
Give wishful magic, grandma magic.
It's a carpet, never said genie. It's a carpet.
Okay, I would want the robot.
No, nobody kill me in my sleep.
Would you rather have one eye in the middle of your head or two noses?
One eye, me want to say, we have one eye, not two.
Middle of your head, I know
It's
supposed to
having
be
it right
middle
here,
head.
so like probably, you know?
So I have this and this and this. Oh.
You have a favor the man that see move.
Look like alien, but I prefer you three eye. No, I'm two nose. But my face is brother already.
The eye for me.
One the eye.
Would you rather see a firework display or go to a concert?
Firework.
I love to see fireworks.
You always jump the highway and go look on the fireworks.
Concert.
You never have to say that. Would you rather eat donuts or candy?
Donuts.
You have to say donuts. I'm a candy person.
Donuts.
I think donut. I want some for food, my really.
I'm a candy person.
Candy gonna make me thirsty.
Would you rather speak every language or play every instrument?
Speak every
Speak
language.
every language.
The child
Me
people
too.
start chat. I know exactly what I'm saying.
Fluently.
Fist them or run.
Would you rather go on a roller coaster or skydiving?
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
No, when we skydive, I have
More on the skydive.
Oh, when you have a man-made thing that when you have pull. You know, go pull with parachute, I go pull your
Fool. Roller coaster is a man-made thing. God didn't make that.
Exactly.
I'm not business.
They can
I
always
prefer the
stop.
pan. No, I prefer the pan that.
Empress
Press
Evie
stop.
done.
Stop, come out and crawl good on. That Friday gone and not turning back. I have different size of roller coaster.
Done.
I'll go far.
Would you rather
live
live without music or without movies? Why them put them two something together?
Them can do that.
Like why they together?
I'd rather live without movies.
Music different pan.
I live without movies.
I can't live without the music because sometimes the music take you out of some
Yeah,
really tough
Yes.
spaces. So movies for me.
Movies.
The movies first.
Everybody has a movie.
Would you rather meet a superhero or a cartoon character?
A superhero.
Superhero. I'd rather meet
No,
a
cartoon from more
superhero.
Zuko. Cartoon character.
Superhero.
Really want me Dora and SpongeBob.
So you wanna be cartoon character for me?
For me.
For us.
First.
You don't know.
Sure.
Would you rather live in a mansion in the city or on a farmhouse with a lot of
Mansion.
animals? You
Mansion.
could have waited more.
Come like Rebel.
Mansion.
Could you read the question again?
School Chinese quiz. Would you rather live in a mansion in the city or on a farm with a lot of animals?
I'd rather live on the farm.
They don't eat them.
No, you could have said
Mansion, I have money, that's why I have a mansion I can buy.
They don't even know what the mansion look like.
Man, it no matter mansion or mansion.
No touch.
It no matter. From
But
a
I
mansion.
like the whole
I like
nature
it,
stuff, so I
yeah.
think
The farm.
the farm. You can't always be a mansion farm.
Watch them have like a baby rabbit and me I feed them with nipple buckle.
No, not only the animal them team up and get me.
Would you rather have 3 legs or 3 arms?
3 arms.
3 legs, some can't
Believe
run
in
together.
Jamaica, we feel like we don't want 3 legs. That's
Shut up, fire!
3 that's how they do work. That's how they do school work. I'm like on my phone same way. 3 arms.
No, you have 3 hands. All the brain are going to do so much things.
So the birds do so much things than a regular, but all the brain knows somebody that turn.
3 legs, I'll move faster.
3
I
legs.
shot fire so. No, you can't walk on lunch. We're going to reach quick.
Yeah.
Would you rather be able to live 100 years in the past or 100 years in the future? It's the future.
Future for
family.
me.
Future.
Let the history
Future.
stay history.
Future.
Future.
Would you rather go to the doctor or the dentist?
That's
Why are everybody this?
Who made that into
so
school?
fancy.
But I got doctor.
You're the doctor. Why you want a doctor to do so much things to you?
Oh shit.
You need to buff down your fantasy today.
Would you rather read minds or be invisible?
Invisible, rob bank easy.
Invisible.
You know I read nobody my
Yeah,
money
want your
after.
own
Broke life.
Money
done.
after.
Make my friend come so
You see how they bring stroke?
Them always want them at the fly.
I always want to crash when me, you know?
I don't know wrong with them when you just unconscious.
Yeah. One time.
Would you rather eat pizza for every meal or eat ice cream for every meal?
No, pizza.
Pizza.
No, I don't fancy ice cream.
Pizza cause
I like ice cream, I love pizza.
If ice cream not being rum, you know.
Would you rather always be dressed up or always wear your pajamas?
dress up.
It's dressing up for me.
Just enough for me.
Rochelle, when you're rather.
Pajama.
I know Rochelle not going to pajama.
Never sleep.
That's not the reason.
I don't.
So you have clothes that are comfortable, Rochelle. Don't do that.
One just up right through.
Would you rather go to the movies or go to the water park? Water park.
Water park.
Water park.
Watch movie and
park. Would you rather be friends with Superman or Spider-Man?
Superman.
Superman.
Spider for me.
Superman can't carry up and feed back for go places. Spider-Man is everywhere. Me no business. If I go to too much climbing, I don't go hold on tight. Superman and one hold on, you know.
But if you jump him just go so.
Superman. There were 2 left in deep.
No, and Superman strong and no one time in a baby man. Give
No,
it
no,
to you.
Superman so hard.
Would you rather constantly itch or always cough?
Cough. Itching different.
Itching no make sense.
Itching and you know, you just a itch so.
Friend, catch us
Wait.
No way.
Would you rather live in the North Poles or the South Pole?
Which one am I called?
Me a go lie.
Which one?
Me a go lie.
No. This was Saturday.
I want to live in the regular pole.
The regular. The regular.
I prefer not because sometimes if I come to Jamaica, I want to go in.
Don't it? You're visiting. Would you rather have French fries or chocolate cake?
French
fries.
fries.
French
fries.
What do you say?
Chocolate cake and French fries.
You know, you never say and.
Which?
It's a witch.
Which?
Well, the fries.
Would you rather have a picnic in a park or on the beach?
Park.
Park.
Why?
Shut up, no, you don't say something.
Park.
Park.
Beach.
Beach more nice at all.
But don't want a sun food.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Why your food reaching at the sun?
Breeze.
You much
The
Well,
beach have this nice little soul.
too much breeze to picnic.
The scenery
If them
better to
didn't
me at
want
the park.
that scenery,
At the beach.
them would have make picnic event on the beach. The mouse.
Alright, so Einstein's. Would you rather have hamburgers or hot dog?
Hamburger.
Same.
It's the same.
Hamburgers.
Yeah, that's
Hamburgers.
burgers on.
Would you rather go to the zoo or an aquarium?
Aquarium.
Aquarium. I've never been to one.
Aquarium.
Zoo.
Fever one.
There's some weird things in the sea when we like go. Aquarium just for sea.
Right? The glass accidentally broke in the shop and take me.
I was asking what's up.
I always think that thing about them is still on go.
Positivity counts.
Would you rather be really fast or really strong?
Strong.
Pass. Running a bank thief for money quick. Running a Bruce truck thief for
I
money
think you
quick.
have a motive.
Strong way.
I would prefer.
Me want to be strong because when
strong.
NHT belows them can take them up and put them somewhere.
Strong.
Oh man!
I'd rather be strong. I can't keep up a
Instead
car
of-
and sell them.
No! I'm not literally have a motive.
Yo, Rochelle.
I can't bother with the hard work. She have to paperwork for selling carry. Go in, thief scenario and come back. You can't catch me.
That's how we go team up together. Me, team to carry them. You going to go TikTok the people and carry and come with.
A true. What you gonna do?
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.